Hello everyone, welcome to Code Carnation. In Code Carnation, first video we'll download Android Studio for Windows iOS. So let's start. So for downloading the Android Studio, just we need to type and download Android Studio. The first link will be populated. To that first link, we just need to click it. It will navigate us to the Android developer.android.com. This is Google's developer console, like not console. From this the developer android.com you can download the Android Studio. Just click navigate back to download the Android Studio for Windows. Click here. Then it will take you to the Android Studio console. Here you can see Android Studio, download Android Studio, and then download options, release notes, everything will be there. So this is how where we will be getting the download Android Studio. So if we need to understand whether our like requirement is for Windows or for Linux or for Mac. So on the same website we will be having all the three. So if we'll see the release note, in release note we will be going to the preview. In preview, test it out. For test it out you will get the more downloads. Go to the more downloads to it. You can get a link as well, directly link studio.archives. Just click on I agree to these terms. Further, you can see all the stable versions which is being released with the release date. So this is how the release note works. Like release note will be always available from the starting of that particular product to the till date. So whatever the latest version of this product will be assigned to that particular date. That's how the release note works. So here if we'll see the updated version is like Android Studio 4.1, which is being released on March 24, 2020. Now we'll see Google Chrome OS. So if we'll download the .exe file which is being recommended, just we'll see a Google like a developer console official videos for 40 seconds, and that will give you a step-by-step procedure how to proceed further. So let's play it. So in this 40 second you can see all those step procedure. You will be having your downloaded exe file in the desktop. You're just going to click I agree, next, and then proceeding for the as usual exe file which is being downloaded on the any other Windows software. Then at last you just click finish. This is how it will be. It will take some, it will ask you for some initial level of checks, which is like, so yeah, click on the first option will be there. So if you do not have any previous version of Android Studio, just select the second version, then next, then install type will be the standard or custom. So just choose standard alone for time being. Then finish. It will download all the component. Make sure this component including the SDK, which is like development kit. So once it will download it, you can proceed. So this is how the official 40-second video will be there for the downloading an Android Studio. Suppose that I have already downloaded the Android Studio in my PC. So which is 3.1.1, which is one of the stable version which is there in the release note, from the same console, same website, and the same method, but what we have seen it in the previous. So if you want to start a new project, you just need to click it on start a new project, start a new Android Studio project. That's all. So for as of now, I'm just minimizing it. So yeah, we'll just open the another one. We'll see the JDK. Download the JDK. JDK is we have the different version of JDK. Java SE download, which will be having different platform. JDK SE80 is 14, 13, 11. 14 is the latest version. So JDK 8 is the stable one, which again we are having for Linux and Solaris, Windows, Mac, everyone. So here we want it for Mac, and that too we want it for 64-bit. So there are two standards are there, which one is for 86, another is 64. So we are going to download the 64-bit of the Windows. So just click on download, wait for a few minutes, let it download. Again it will be a exe file which will be there on the desktop post downloading. Just double click on this. It will install. So once it will take the system, it will install the JDK. Just click on next, development source. That's it. It will install our entire development kit for the 8 upgraded version, which is one of the stable version in the Java platform. Once you download it, go to your C drive, then you go to program files, then navigate yourself to Java. You can see the Java folder which will be there in the program file. Once your JDK is being installed successfully, you will see the two of the folder. One is JDK, another will be JRE. Both are 1.8.0, which is one of the stable version which we are using it right now. Just property, if you see your advanced setting properties, so environment variables, you can see your Java home, which is Java program path will be there in the Java home. So you will be having your program file JDK and JRE path. So if you want to add the system variable new path and the new name, you just need to add the variable name, which is Java home, and variable value. So let's see our variable value, which is JDK 1.8.1, 1.8.0 000. So this is how. So just copy the path of this particular JDK and paste it in variable value, then click it OK. So that's how it will be updated to Java home. So if it is not there, you need to add it by clicking on new. If it is already there, that's fine. So but you have to add it. I have already added, so it is showing right now. So now you have to copy the bin. Bin will be having all the jar files, all the preloaded jar files, and again you have to paste it in path. So again you have to create edit, go to edit text, there will be path. So just copy that path, variable name will be the path and variable value will be the actual path of the bin folder. Just click on OK. Okay, that's it. So your JDK is being configured to your system, and your bin folder of the JDK 1.8.0 is also being configured to your system. So right now, if you are now going to start your Android and those things, Android Studio, it is not going to affect any problem. So because your JDK is important, because your JDK will have the entire kit, and based upon your JDK your Android version will depend. So like here you have updated a new JDK, so it will be having the entire. So for this I will be framing a second video, part 2, so that will be coming soon. So I will explain you in that video what is JDK, how the JDK will be installed, if how you need to install it, or how you need to configure that JDK in the Android Studio by just clicking on the JDK manager, which is already there in the Android Studio. So yeah, that will be our second video. So stay tuned guys, we'll come back and with the second part in the up max by next week. Thank you. Subscribe to Code Carnation.